Hello, this is Mr. Wolf, and we are going to be working on comparing fractions. And we have a comparison here, where we have 3/5 and 4/5. And so there is a question we always ask when comparing fractions. The first question we want to ask is, do the fractions have a common denominator? If our answer here is yes, we're pretty much done with the work we need to do. So we're going to look at the denominator. The denominator is the bottom number that symbolizes how many pieces our whole has been broken into. So for 3/5, our denominator is 5. And for 4/5, our denominator is 5. Both of our fractions have been broken into 5 equal pieces. They have a common denominator. And when we have two fractions with a common denominator, all we need to do is look at the numerator. Because if we have pieces that are all the same size, what matters is how many pieces do we have. So we can look at what 3/5 and 4/5 represent. Now we've represented each of our fractions with a fraction bar, and you'll notice the pieces of the bar are the same size. Each of them have been split into 5 equal pieces. And because they've been split into the same size pieces, because they have a common denominator, the fact that we have 4 of those pieces in 4/5 and only 3 of those pieces in 3/5 lets us know that 3/5 is less than 4/5. 4/5 is greater than 3/5. So by having a common denominator, all we have to do is look to see which numerator is greater.